Hello everybody, today we'll be doing a review of this iHome Bluetooth speaker. I got it for $28 at K-Mart, and we will be comparing it against the Photive Hydra Bluetooth waterproof speaker right here. So first things first is the box. It comes with a plastic showcase box as you would expect. Over here is what the Photive came in, just a slide off box, really easy to get into. But that's besides the point of the speaker here. Let's read what the box says. Wireless or chargeable stereo speaker, 9 hours of battery, up to rechargeable battery, SRS, true bass, stuff like that. We'll see how that works. 1-year warranty and designed in the USA, made in China. So, I already opened it here for us. So let's get on into it. First thing are these two cables in the front. You have your auxiliary cable, probably 1.5 feet if even really short, and you have your charging cable, micro USB. Put those aside for now. And speaker, we'll get to that. And let's look at the paperwork we have in here. That's all that's in the box. First one is this that says Bluetooth. Now I wonder if it tells us what generation of Bluetooth. I'm assuming it's 3. Doesn't really tell you much on here, it just tells you how to connect it and pairing it, which you don't actually have to enter a code unless you want to, I guess. Not sure how that sounded. See, portable stands, they're trying to sell you more stuff. Just more stuff they're trying to sell you. Instruction manuals. Don't need that. Okay, so here's this speaker. We're going to first compare it against this and the quality of the build. But you have to remember, this is a $60 speaker. This is a $30 speaker. This has Bluetooth 4.0, and I'm assuming this has 3, just out of assumption. This is rubberized, really light. Has these pads on the bottom, but it has no controls for Bluetooth volume up and down. It does have Bluetooth here on the back, but no volume controls or anything. You have to do that on your phone or device. Over here, this is also rubberized with a big metal grill on the front. It has your volume up and down here, your change song or whatever you're listening to, and a Bluetooth button in the middle. Plus, this is waterproof per the cap here to cover your ports. This is held on with 4 little rivets here. Whenever you turn it on, which is back here, the light will pop up here and it will connect to your device automatically if your Bluetooth is turned on. I guess you have a serial number here, and you also have your Bluetooth button. You can connect, this is what you would use to connect to other speakers, your auxiliary port and your charging port. And I think these are the ports it's talking about for the bass. I have heard both of these right here, and I have to say this is much better with the bass. Now, they both have passive subwoofers, I believe, so it's not going to be crazy, but this is also louder per the price. I think this is 7 watts, it might be 8 watts, which isn't really that much. It has 2 4-watt speakers in it, maybe 3, I don't know. Sorry. And this, there's just no way to find the information on this online. They don't tell you anything about this. And this is kind of easy to get into here. Just unscrew those 4 bolts and you can get into the electrical battery and stuff. This you can also peel off the, you can get into it here underneath. And see, it's pretty metal built all around it. Fix that in a little bit. So, let's go ahead and get to a sound test on this here against this. Alright, so we're going to start by showing you the Photive Hydra Bluetooth speaker. We're going to be playing this song down here at half blast to start. So, let's go ahead and play. And you can feel a little bass in your hand, a little vibration. Let's go ahead and skip into the song a little bit more and play some more. Sound quality is really good. And let's go ahead and turn it up to full blast here, all the way up, and go at it again. And it is absolutely ridiculous. It is extremely crazy loud. So now let's go ahead and compare it to our iHome here. So now we have switched to the iHome over here. Our other camera died, so we're using the DSLR here. So we're going to go ahead and go at half blast real quick. There we go. Let's move a little closer. And the sound quality is still great, as was the Photive, but it did not sound as bassy. I guess you can expect that for the price point, but it still sounds really good. So now we're going to go ahead and go over here to full blast and try this again to see if it's as crazy as the Photive over there. That thing was, oof. Here we go. And there we go. Didn't sound as bassy, but it did sound just as loud. Maybe a little less, but still very good quality. That's all I got for you guys. Thanks for watching.